We can do.
This is part 2.
We can accomplish anything.
Yeah, this is part 2 of our journey.
Part 2 of our journey.
In the hills.
Yep. This is Cattail Mountain.
I came to visit my dad all the way.
The more it rains, the more the swamp will be brought back to life even more so.
Yeah, I came to visit my dad all the way from Kentucky to Virginia. It's about an hour drive.
There's a bunch of wood cut up.
Who cut down trees?
I don't know.
Maybe it was the Lorax.
I don't know the answer to that.
Maybe the Lorax stayed out.
We would go farther up in the mountain, but let's go back and check on Skylet and see what everybody's doing.
Yeah. Hey, look, it's a little picnic place. Want to hang here?
Yeah. Yeah, you want to hold the camera for a second?
Here.
Yeah, I'll do a little bit. Just a little bitty clip. It'll work.
How do I flip the cam?
Hit the little arrows on the bottom.
Wait, little arrows. What little arrows? Here, Dad. I'll just do this. So yeah, if you guys want to buy, like, say you want to buy these,
I love these.
I'll copy some of them and get some.
Yeah.
And they come in different colors. If you want some of these and stuff, we'll try to copy those and put it in the store. And if you want some of Dad's ambulance, we can try to copy those too.
Well, I'd have to order specifically.
A few
I'd
more.
have to order specifically ambulance to sell for
Yeah.
other people. These are specifically bound to me.
Yeah, you have to go to certain types of websites to get this stuff. So if you guys want to, we'll try to put a link in the description to all of us.
Close it when you're ready.
So now we're going to get off here.